Love is patient and kind. Love does not envy or boast. It is not arrogant or rude. It does not insist on its own way. It is not irritable or resentful. It does not rejoice in wrongdoing, but rejoices with the truth. Love bears all things, believes all things, hope all things, endure all things.
Shelter.
10 years ago, I prayed here in St. Benedict Church, asking God for a sign if we were truly meant to be. When I asked you to watch a movie at town, and you said yes, I knew in my heart it was a sign from above.
Alam mo ba yung salitang pagmamahal? Alam mo yon? Yan yung salitang hindi niya pinag-aralan, pero sa'yo, natutunan.
You are the person who opened my eyes to the definition of what true love is. A love that is genuine, full of understanding, achieving goals together, your comfort and strength. Your understanding means the world to me, and when you officially met my family, I saw how much you genuinely care. Meeting your family has been a blessing, both to both you, and they have made my love for you grow even more stronger.
This is the wow moment, so enjoy the journey. As you start, make sure ready ka sa mga series of changes and cycle ng life being married man. Kasi hindi ganun kadali, pero kung magtutulungan kayo mag-asawa, walang imposible.
Kailangan lagi ng magdasal kapag may mga problema. So, yung problema darating yun, anytime. Basta pray lang. Love you, anak. Ayoko umiyak.
Kaya nga ako
Masakit sa mata. I love you so much.
Ngunit siya ko siya. Sa lahat ng mga problema, lagi kayo nandiyan sa akin. And yun lang. Ito na talaga yung next journey ko.
God bless you.
Watching you, keeping you close. 'Cause I was broken. Words that were spoken. Come you
I love you so much. I'm so proud to be my love forever.
Love you.
Ano ba yan? Iyak na talaga siyempre.
Love you. Thank you po for everything, and you know that I love you both so much.
I love you.
wanted forever. Watching you, keeping you close.
You're the greatest blessing He has given me, and I'm forever grateful for you. I believe God had a plan for us, and today is the perfect time for us to come together.
And I would like to thank you for your patience as well, for loving me no matter what, for choosing to love me every day, for making me special, treating me as your princess, for making me laugh since you're the only one who can make me laugh so much, for being there for me. Thank you because God has blessed me.
We've been there for each other through highs and lows, even when we had nothing. But I'm so grateful and blessed that even with all my imperfections, you still choose me, stand by me, and love me unconditionally. That makes me fall in love with you more. I can help but look back and say that it's all because of God and because of you.
Shelter. I'll be your shelter. I'll be your anchor.
my love, going on to our next chapter, that I couldn't even believe that we have come so far. But one thing is for sure, you are the person I would marry and I would love for the rest of time. And I would do this over and over as long as it's with you. I vow to let love guide every action I take in our journey together, whether in moments of joy or times of challenge. I know we will build a life that is strong and filled with the warmth and grace of God's love.
Kapag ang Diyos isinasama ninyo, ano man ang pinagdaraanan ninyo, ay inyo mapagtatagumpayan dahil sa inyong pagmamahalan. Kaya tandaan ninyo, pagmahala kayo, hindi lamang para patunayan na may habang buhay, kundi magmahalan kayo upang maging masaya kayo habang buhay.
Let's continue to enjoy every moment of our journey together as husband and wife.
Today and every day, I promise to do everything with care, kindness, and devotion for you and for us. I love you, my love, so much and always.
I love you. It's Sarangheo forever and always, Mrs. Luibo.
If you want a marriage that lasts forever, it is your choice. When you love each other, you have to keep it, you have to fight for it, you have to work for it. Happily ever after is not a fairy tale, it is your choice.